Today we are gonna learn how to basically run Jupyter Notebook inside a virtual environment. So first, let us open a terminal notebook, terminal or command prompt, and then we are gonna create a virtual environment first using this command python -m dnv demo underscore env. So demo underscore env is the virtual environment name. So you can give your own name. I'm not yet now, because I have already one. So now once you actually have one virtual environment, you need to activate that particular virtual environment. So for that, you just need to go inside the virtual environment folder, then scripts, activate. Once you are inside this virtual environment, only then you should install any library, and as such you will be installing pip install Jupyter Lab or Notebook. So Jupyter Lab is basically a advanced version of the Jupyter Notebook itself. It is similar in nature. Now the libraries will get installed. All the dependencies will get installed one by one for the Jupyter Lab to be installed. So once all these libraries basically are installed, all these dependencies are installed, we need to do the most important part of the process, which is we need to install the Jupyter kernel for the virtual environment. So we will use this command ipython. So this is already installed, and inside user and then the name. So the name we can give same to the virtual environment name or something else as well. And now the kernel spec is installed. So now we can just run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab by just typing that Jupyter Lab, and this should open up in a new browser window, whichever is default for your case. It's opening up. Now you can see we have two options: demo underscore env. This is linked with the virtual environment. So this kernel is linked with the virtual environment. So any library that is already installed in the virtual environment, you can now run inside this Jupyter Notebook. So this is the main reason that we want to do that, so that any library is installed inside this virtual environment, we can run this in the notebook.